To discover speaking skills you already have and skills that need some attention. 9, 4, 6 months. 4 years.
Thank you, Sachin. She has been called a motor mouse in her college. She wants to learn to make it smooth, well-tuned and effective motor over here in Bangalore, Toastmaster. Please welcome Toastmaster Monisha.
So, did anybody hear about the headlines? Africa ends apartheid. American President Richard Nixon leaves the White House. I can see confused faces. Okay, it is Barack Obama. When I'm talking about the headlines, 18 years ago on April 22nd, 1994, in addition to my being born, this was printed. It was a warm April morning. Birds were singing in ecstasy and the sun all mellow and yellow, as if heralding the arrival of someone very special. With all the, "Oh, she's so cute," screams around me, I was so surprised. I didn't speak for a year. My father, Mr. Ando, who's a sports entrepreneur based from Sri Lanka, and my mother, Chitra, who's a writer from Tanjavur, coaxed me into speaking. And I finally did. My first word was os. It's a French word, my first word. It means to dare. Okay, not really. The word os was actually my 1.5-year-old attempt at gross, but somehow the r never comes in time. It has now. Ironically, if you ask my parents who coaxed me into speaking, they tell me, "What have you coaxed? We can't get her to stop talking now when they have a point." Danny Kaye once said, "Life is like a big canvas. Throw all the paint you can on it," and I'm guilty of paint-stained fingers. I always believe in doing things differently. In fact, in school I was so different that I had maths on my art paper, art on my math, Hindi and Kannada, and some of the teachers never really appreciated doing things differently. But ironically, in my last year at St. Prague Girls High School, when I climbed on stage as school captain and class valedictorian and best all-rounder, I somehow told myself, different is good. But childhood is incomplete without summer holidays, and mine was at my mother's village, climbing the Mailadugura Express and going to my hometown, where the old ladies would run away from me, dogs to me. But did you know that I was the youngest person to have delivered the panchayat verdict? I did so fair and square and honestly on which auntie makes the best jamuns, and trust me, I am the best judge of that. Well, summer in childhood went away quick, and I was faced with the prospect of choosing which college I would do. I had two options, Christ College or Mounts. All the ladies in my family were from Mounts and all the boys from Christ, so the Christite Carmelite clash was forever, and I decided my loyalties are towards Mount Carmel's. It has an impressive alumni, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, Nirupama Rao, and you have your Deepika Padukones as well. I remember my first day distinctly, dressed in pink. Somehow I regret that now, I don't want to remember that. I remember entering into college, tugging at my hair, nervous. I stepped in and I can hear the chorus of angels almost in my head. And then I hear, "Ammu!" I turn, it's my grandmother. She had to make her wear my seniors and my pet name, and that's how they call me for the next 2 years. Somehow that memory is very good. I was school president and college president. I was in charge of the Public Speaking Association, and we used to debate, hence the term Mujamau. Anything which chutney tastes better, which lace flavor is the best, American sweet corn by the way. And yes it is, I will debate with you on that. And in which place do we find the best chart, or why FDI retail will never work out in India, or why the Affordable Care Act will never been passed by the American court. We would discuss absolutely everything and fight as if our life depended on it. Of course, I remember that having fought all this, I have a little enemy at home as well, and I can never not mention her. It's my little sister Anjali, and both of us are addicts. And somehow, we haven't sought out help. Yes. We're addicted to books. We read everything, Dostoevsky, Mark Twain, we have the Bronte sisters, everybody under the sun, and I have my Star Wars fan as well. I love reading and writing. I write prose and poetry. Recently I got my poems published under Penguin, and it was an ecstatic feeling. And after college in Mounts, I have joined recently MS Ramaiah Medical College. It's my dream to be a neurosurgeon. And that brings to my mind Henry Ford's famous saying, if you feel the whole world is against you, always remember, an aeroplane never starts with the wind. It starts against it. So if you're going to fly high, you've got to start against others. And I believe you need to fight for your dreams, and I'm willing to. And that requires myself to be equipped with leadership skills, listening skills, and the ability to deliver deftly and clearly. And there's only one place that offers all that and sweets for Diwali. Any guesses of the place which offers you all those skills? Bangalore Toastmasters Club. And that was the first thing I did after I turned 18, even before I got my license for my bike. Well, finally, to finish off, I can't wait to begin this exciting journey, and my icebreaker has been due forever, so I'm glad to have delivered it today. So here's a little couplet I'd like to finish for the Toastmasters here.